I work as a delivery, and yesterday I was working normal day, and it was about lunchtime, about quarter past one, something like that. And yeah, I was passing by the Parnell Square when I saw a fight. First, I thought it was a fight, and I saw a man with a woman. And I slowed down my motorcycle to see what was going on. And then I realized there was a little girl involved in the fight. And I didn't understand. I saw him, they were pulling the girl, and later on I find out she was the teacher of the school. And she was very, very brave. People must know that. He was a big man, you know. And then I saw he grabbed a girl and he pulled off his knife. When I saw a man with a knife in his hand, I stopped the bike. And then I saw him stab a little girl in the chest. And I don't know how many times, but I saw him stab her. I just acted by instinct, you know. There is no time to be afraid or something like that, or to be brave. No time for that. I think every parent, I have 2 kids myself, I think every parent will do the same, you know. When you see a man with a knife and a little girl, you become an animal. You just act like with instinct.
A lot of people, Caio, may have been too afraid to intervene the way you did. Like you say, this was a big man. He had a knife. He had stabbed people. But were you not worried that you could get injured yourself?
I don't even think about that. I don't remember to think if it was danger or not, you know. Of course, I take off my helmet to protect myself, and then I hit him. I use it as a weapon to hit. I hit him right in his head, and I hit him very, very with power, and he fall in the ground straight away. Yeah, after he fall, the other people came and we start to kick him and push him. When you see the little girl, you know, the injury she has, it's unbelievable. When you see the parents come to the school, you know, they just have the news that there was attack in the school and their kids are there, and you don't know what exactly happened. I saw them just arriving with terrifying, you know. It's something that I have 2 kids myself. That's some feeling you never want to go through.
It seems, Caio, that if you hadn't have intervened yesterday, then things could have been a lot worse. And you are a hero in a lot of Irish people's eyes today.
As I told you, I don't see myself as a hero. I was in the right place in the right time, you know. I'd like to send a message for the parents at the school that what I did, I'm sure they would do the same if my kid was there and was one of them in my place. I just did what can do it, you know. We just help each other. Sometimes I think if I go faster, I could save her life if I'm praying for she can make it. But on the other hand, it's just thought, you know. You're gonna think it's gonna be in my mind for a long time. I know what happened after that, and I'm not the right person to speak about politics here, because I'm here just for less than 1 year. What happened yesterday, I think it's a small group of people that used the attack in the school an excuse to do what they did and put fire in they got a car and break down the store. And I do feel very safe here. They are protesting against immigrants, and I myself immigrant, and I was the one to help. As I told you, for me it doesn't make a sense. For me it's a small group of people, they don't even know what they're doing. Irish people, they always treat me very, very in a nice way. I know some immigrants they complain about, but I think it's a world problem, not a local problem.
Have you been speaking to your family in Brazil? They must have been very concerned when they seen the news yesterday.
Yeah. They didn't know what exactly was happening, and they saw the news. I said to them that I was okay, and I was worried about the little girl too. And with myself, I was okay, you know. Yesterday, I was in shock. I couldn't sleep, and you know, I just closed my eyes and couldn't get sleep. But today, you know, I'm thinking about it, and a lot of people give me support. It's very nice. A lot of Irish people, a lot of Brazilian people, everyone. The message was so grateful to see what people talk about me. I would like to thank you for the people sending me message and giving me the support. And yeah, now I'm just praying and worried about the health of the little girl. And yeah, I'm just here praying for she can make it, you know.